Dear viewers, welcome to Manju's vlog. Today I am going to prepare a requested recipe from one of our viewers. The requested recipe is Dal Khichdi. Dal Khichdi is a healthy, nutritious, protein-packed dish and very easy and simple to prepare. I am taking around 300 grams of rice and 200 grams of moong dal. Wash 2 to 3 times and keep it soaked in water for minimum 20 minutes. Add the dal and rice to the pressure cooker. Add water, double the quantity of the rice and dal. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder as well as salt for taste. Using a spatula, just stir the turmeric powder and salt in the pressure cooker and close the lid. Keep the vessel closed and switch on the burner. Meanwhile, let us run through the other ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. 2 small tomatoes finely chopped. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped, as well as a small piece of ginger finely chopped. 3 whole green chilies to be finely chopped. A small bunch of fresh coriander leaves also to be finely chopped. 10 pieces of fresh curry leaves to be kept. Now cut half carrot into small pieces, as well as 6 to 7 whole French beans to be cut into pieces, and a small portion of green peas to be kept ready. Now all the items is kept ready. Let us start the preparation. Keep the heavy bottom pan on the burner and switch on the flame. Add 3 tablespoons of desi ghee to the heated pan. I am using desi ghee which is prepared in-house. Once the ghee is heated, add the chopped ginger and garlic pieces to the heated ghee and saute for 30 seconds so that the raw flavor from the ginger and garlic goes off. Add the chopped green chilies to the pan. Finely chopped onions to be added. Saute the onions for at least 1 to 2 minutes, followed by adding salt for the onion mixture so that the onions will turn brown as soon as possible. Once the onions have turned little brown, add the chopped tomatoes which was kept ready and mix it well along with the onions on a low flame. Add 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder to the onion and tomato mix as shown. Now add 1 teaspoon of fresh coriander powder too. Using a spatula, mix well and ensure that it will not burn on the bottom. The mixture has become dry. Now add little water to the mix and let it cook on a low flame. Meanwhile, the dal and the rice has cooked well with 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open the lid of the cooker and add the cooked rice and the moong dal to the pan which is already mixed with the masala. Now add the green peas, chopped beans as well as chopped carrot to the rice mix and little bit of water from the pressure cooker where the rice and moong dal which we cooked, and mix it well and cook it on a low flame for another 5 minutes. Almost all the items are cooked well and now it is ready. Right now the final part which decides the taste is the tadka. Add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee to the heated pan. Once ghee is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds start spluttering, add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Add 2 whole red chilies cut into pieces, followed by 1 teaspoon of asafoetida as well as curry leaves which was kept ready. Now the tadka is ready. Transfer this flavorful and aromatic tadka to the rice mix and mix it well, followed by chopped coriander leaves on top as a garnish. The delicious, healthy, protein-packed dal khichdi is ready to serve. Now serve in a bowl with garnish of coriander leaves as well as curry leaves, and serve with papads and pickles. Dear viewers, if you have any specific recipe requests, please do mention in the comment section, so I will try to accommodate as far as possible from my side. Hope every one of you have enjoyed this simple preparation of dal khichdi. If you have enjoyed, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive automatic notifications once my new videos are uploaded in the coming days. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.